The best way to reduce warranty work is to slow down during installation and inspection, follow manufacturer instructions to the letter, and document everything with photos before you close up a wall or leave a job site. Think of warranty work like getting called back to fix your own homework because you rushed through it the first time. Most callbacks do not happen because a contractor does not know what they are doing. They happen because a small step got skipped when someone was tired or in a hurry. Here's something a lot of folks do not think about. Many manufacturers actually void their warranty if you do not use their approved fasteners, adhesives, or underlayment, even if the rest of the job looks perfect. That means you could do beautiful work and still get a callback because of one tiny material swap nobody flagged. A smart habit is to keep a simple checklist for every job, snap photos of the connections and materials before covering them up, and store those photos with the invoice. That way, if something goes wrong later, you have proof of exactly what was done, and it protects both you and the homeowner. One common mistake is not properly training new crew members on manufacturer-specific steps, since every product has its own quirks and skipping the training leads to repeat problems. So pair new workers with someone experienced for the first few jobs. Another big one is poor communication with the homeowner about maintenance responsibilities, because a lot of warranty complaints are actually caused by the homeowner not maintaining the system properly. So always leave a simple written care guide behind. Lastly, people often forget that weather conditions during installation, like humidity or temperature, can affect how materials cure or bond, so always check the manufacturer's guidelines for acceptable conditions before you start. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.